Welcome to Your Kids' Health, from the kitchen to the gym. We're on location this week in Coldwater, Michigan at Jeannie's Diner, and I'm your host, Laura Kurella, and this is my co-host,
Tanner.
Here on the show, we'll be taking viewer-submitted recipes and we'll put them to the test. We will cook them and get some input from a nutritionist and then give you some fitness tips before the recipes take the biggest test of them all. The kids themselves. They will be judging them right here on the spot, all for the benefit of your own kids at home.
This week, Laura will be our cook, and she will be showing us how to make her pizza wraps.
That's right. Stay tuned. We'll be right back. Welcome back to the show, and Tanner and I are here to make some kid-capable cuisine that everyone's going to love. Tanner, tell me, what is your favorite snack?
I like pizza for a snack.
And what do you do when you come home from school and Mom's not there?
I walk in the door, go straight to the freezer, get out one of my frozen pizzas, and I pop it in the microwave.
Ah, well, today we're going to take that frozen pizza and make it 10 times better than you can get right here on a paper plate. Simply and easily, it'll be 3 times less in calories and more nutrition than you can ever get in a paper box out of your freezer. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right. You start with 2 paper plates, a paper towel for you, and I know you have one of these at home, right?
Yeah.
And a paper towel for me, and some taco shells. Grab a shell, and I'll grab a shell. And I like to use a good pizza sauce, and one of my favorites is Eden Foods organic made pizza and pasta sauce. You can use this both for pizzas and for pastas, which is really great. And what's really cool is your mom can go ahead and put it in a squeeze bottle to make it easier for you so there's no mess in the house. And you can have her take the label off the can and put it right on the bottle so that she knows and you know exactly what you're using in the fridge. Isn't that neat?
Mm-hmm.
All right. What you need to do is pop the top of that and squeeze right in the center square as much pizza sauce as you'd like to use on your pizza. Now remember, don't put too much on because you've got to be able to roll it up, okay? Alrighty, and I'll put some on mine. I'm a little more fancier, as you. And then the next step is to add some cheese. And it's a good idea to stick with about a 1/4 cup because of the size of the taco shell, which we're using a 8-inch today. That's very good, thank you. And Tanner, do you like pepperoni?
Pepperoni, I love pepperoni.
Really, so do I. And did you know that nowadays you can get both the regular pepperoni and the turkey pepperoni? And turkey pepperoni is actually half the calories and fat as the regular pepperoni, so if you want to save calories and you want to get more nutritious, you can go with the turkey. Which would you prefer?
I think I'll try the turkey this time.
Alrighty, help yourself. Now remember, you got to keep it small so you can roll it up. Very good. And I'm going to do the same. And then what you have to do, once you've got that all done, you very simply take the 2 sides, push them to the center. No, just like that.
Oh.
Because you want to be able to keep the stuff in, and then flip the back edge over because you're trying to fold it so that it becomes kind of like an egg roll, just like that, so it seals itself. You'll have to eat that pepperoni since it didn't make it in the cut. Okay? And then you pull your pizza to the one corner, and then fold the edge forward, and then fold the 2 sides in, and then roll it just like that. Very good. We're going to pop it in the microwave. Okay, got it in the microwave. Set for 1 minute, and we hit start. And we wait.
How did you come up with this recipe? Or did you get it out of a cookbook?
I invented the recipe out of a need to come up with something quick and easy for kids to be able to create.
What are the age groups that anybody can make this?
I'd say if you're old enough that your mom will let you use the microwave, you can make this recipe. Especially if you go ahead and have your mom put the sauce in a little squeeze container for you and mark it properly so that you can do it. And she has a tub with a little scoop in it waiting for you in the refrigerator. And she keeps a package of the taco shells on hand. That's all it really takes.
What kind of cheese is this?
This is mozzarella, and it's made with skim milk, so it's very low fat, but it still tastes really good.
Sounds very nutritional.
Yeah, I hope you like it. Oh, and there's our buzzer. Let's give it a try. Run back here. You wanna go pop yours in?
Sure.
Okay, and all you gotta do is put 1 minute on the timer, and you'll be good to go. Start. Very good. All right, Tanner, we both have some hot and ready here. All right, you ready to try it?
Yes.
Tanner? Okay, unroll
The
and
masterpiece.
taste. And what's neat is you can use the plate as your dish and the napkin as your napkin.
That looks really good.
Yes. Oh, goodness. It's amazing, isn't it? All right, I'm gonna wait and see if you like it.
That's good.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
It's so simple. All it takes is a taco shell, some shredded mozzarella that you can already buy processed in the store, a little pepperoni if your kids are into it, a squeeze bottle full with your favorite sauce. Go with a healthy one if you can. And if you want to go ahead and add some special things like some shredded peppers for your children if that's their favorite, or some spices you can introduce your children to, so if they like the flavor of onion, you don't have to worry about having onions sitting around. They can just sprinkle some on. And there's a big, huge spice cabinet, I'm sure, in your mother's kitchen that you can start playing with.
Yeah.
Great place for flavors. Well, that's it for this week's show. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to submit one of your own recipes and become a featured cook, just simply follow the instructions at the bottom of your screen.
Join us next week where Jill will cook up some of her fabulous chicken fajitas.
Until then, thanks for watching Your Kids Health.
Welcome back. It's time now to get some fit.
Time now to get fit.
We need cue cards.
We have 3 judges coming in to sample our wonderful pizza rolls, wraps. Ashley, what are some of your favorite places to eat?
I like,
Feature one of your recipes. Recipes.
Recipes.
Recipes. We need your recipes. Please.
If